so quick, so easy. It's good for gym, nothing unnecessary, nothing processed. Everything is from nature. And this is what I love about food, when it's completely from nature. This is lazy people, lazy gym people, lazy gym. Bro, I'm so hungry. Lazy meal prep. What was the... Wait, I have to check the title. Meal prep for lazy gym people.
Wow.
This is Meal Prep for Lazy Gym People Part 2. Hello and welcome to this beautiful YouTube channel for self-improvement and stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, more gentlemen. Ladies, hello, but psst, this gentleman stuff here. We want food, and we want food of 3 categories. We want it to be tasty, but also fast and nutritious. Therefore, chicken. Ladies and gentlemen, can you follow me? You can, right? Beautiful. So, I give you my meal prep, what I'm eating daily. Currently, I have two lunches, and it consists 330 grams of chicken breast, 250 grams of vegetables, and 200 grams of potatoes. That's my lunches. And wait, I give you the nutrition facts as well. Also, I drink 10 grams of flax oil, I think it's in English, with every meal. It's like a tablespoon, right? So it's 634 kilocalories, 82 grams of protein, 38 grams of carbs, and 15.3 grams of fat. I'm going to preheat the oven right now. Yeah, looks good. I like things to be efficient, but efficient doesn't mean that it needs to be badly or in a manner that's not proper. So, chicken. Good old chicken. I have around 2 kilos here, but I round it up. Therefore, it's 330 grams per meal. That's 660, and if you think in terms of 3 days, 660 per day is around 2 kilos, right? We put that by side, we don't need that. Rule number 1, wash your chicken. So, let's get it done. So what we will do effectively is, we have those 3 beautiful glass boxes, right? And in there, we put our chicken and our vegetables. Let me just think how we start. First of all, very easy. I like to do things easy, effectively, but good. So, vegetables, good source of fibers, also taste amazing. The frozen ones oftentimes have more vitamins and everything inside because they get shock frosted, right? Compared to the things that's laying around in the supermarket for days. Looks weird. Nah, I prefer the frozen vegetables. And I like the variety. I don't buy the same all the time. So we have 3 boxes. So usually I make sure for 3 days. So usually I make sure to have 3 different kinds of vegetables. The first one was Italian ones. This is Mediterranean. Number 2. Beautiful. And number 3 is a mix of a bit of Italian and great ones. That looks amazing. Nice. Just put it in the trash real quick. Why is it wet down there? Chicken maybe? Anyways, can you still see me? Yes. So, the plan is, right, let me just put the chicken here, proper way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step, I just wash my hands real quick. Touch the chicken. As you may know, in the chicken breast, there's this big part. There's this bigger part and the not so big part. So the big part, I stab it with a fork. But only the big part. from both sides. It will take a while, I would speed it up, but just for you to know what I'm doing here. All right, so in my hands. Now that the bigger part of the chicken is prepared, time for spices. I just mix whatever. I just buy stuff randomly. This is paprika. This is piri piri. That's spicy. I like it. This is garlic. This is something red and spicy. I just mix stuff in, but I take care to not take the ones with salt inside. All right, because you don't know how much salt you put in. Your body reacts differently, and you can hold water. I track my salt actually. All right, this is garlic. Look, I got those little salt packs from for restaurants, so I know exactly how much salt I put inside of my beautiful body. Lately, I'm taking my nutrition a bit more seriously. So garlic, paprika, always great. Just kill it with the spices. Just kill it and try different ones, bro. Don't buy the same ones. You might surprise yourself and try different mixtures. Just put a lot. Just put it up. And that's the beautiful thing. It will taste amazingly, always, A. And B, it's without sugar, without salt, without calories, and it just tastes great. Oh, piri piri. Picante. Love it. Love it. Now, quick and easy. Quick and easy. Now, I have something here, curry. I would just put some curry on it. But with curry in your hands, you have to be careful because in curry, there is curcuma. And if you touch curcuma, it makes your hands yellow, right? And the only way, and you can wash your hands, but it will stick there. The only way to get rid of curcuma is the sunlight, ladies and gentlemen. Little life hack here. So, we got those prepared, and you might saw those boxes I prepared. And now we just put the chicken on top. Now we'll turn it so we can put more spice on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have 2 more because we bought 2 kilo. And I'll just cut it. Cut it. This beautiful knife. So we need this. How much is this? Like 500? You have to divide it. Like, This is this. That's for the first one. And like this. Should be fine. So one here in the corner. Another one here in the corner. And here. 1, 2. This one here. I want to smoke a cigarette for some reason. That's my old frequency. Good. I touch chicken again. Therefore I wash my hands. La 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 la. Very important. And now I'll just kill it with some beautiful curry from the other side. Curry mixture. So I don't need to touch it anymore. I can just put it in the oven. And this is it. This is it. This is literally it already. Bop. Wash my hands. Touch the chicken. And since I prepared the oven, let me see if it's ready. It is, in fact. I have it. I don't know Fahrenheit. I will put it in Fahrenheit in the whatever section. In normal measurements, ladies and gentlemen, it's 200 degrees Celsius. And usually I let it in there for 1 hour. Up. 1, 2, and number 3. Bop. Done. Wait, timer. 1 hour. Hello. Yeah. Thank you. This is it. This is it. This is... No, I will not lick it. I touch chicken. So, this is it, ladies and gentlemen. 3 days of 2 lunches. And you can divide the box. I will show you later when it's done. You can just take half of it out, right? Put it on your plate, put it back into your fridge, and when you want to use it, you just microwave it. And 3 days of chicken is fine in the fridge. I don't prepare for longer because it's chicken, right? If it would be meat, maybe 1 day more. But chicken, 3 days in advance is fine. So I will eat one of those boxes today, and I have 2 more for the other days, and that's it. Quick and easy. Now, will I cut it on here? I will not. I will pause the video. Let's see you then. So, for each of those chicken meals, so for each 330 gram of chicken with vegetables, I have potatoes, 200 grams of potatoes, and I put them in the air fryer, and I will show you that they are exactly like fries, but without fat. It's just the potato, the air fryer, and some salt on it. Unfortunately, every time I do the following step, I have this video of Andrew Tate in my head.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
But, you know, I've been with women that cook for me, and I've been with women that cook for me, but I didn't fuck them. I had a woman that cooked for me, and she delivered my meals every day, right? And I had the maid and everything, but sometimes it's helpful to humble oneself, to ground oneself again, to understand what it means to live a normal life. And cutting potatoes is definitely a part of it. But we make it quick and easy. So I have those 3 slices, right? But you can see it. And do the same here, quick and easy. And now I will follow my head, right? Ah! My fries! Look, it looks like fries, right? It looks like fries. Yes, it was on the ground. And guess what? I will eat them regardless. I don't give a shit. Huh? Because my ground is clean, ladies and gentlemen. And look, I like to put the salt. Already? Oh wait, I don't have to do it. It's just 15 minutes, 51 minutes. I have to speed up everything. So this is it. I'll put them in there later, and we'll show you when it's time. Yeah, hello, I'm back. When the food was in the oven, I used the time smartly to do what? To do my salt capsules, to do some cardio, and to take a shower. And let's see. I will just take out one. I just know it's amazing. It tastes great. Makes me feel good. All right. So we have 3 of those. So today is, what day is today? I assume Tuesday. Not sure. But yeah. So I just cut it in half. So one piece of chicken for my first lunch. The other one for my second lunch. And yes, this is how we have 3 days. I don't know how long I actually prepared it. So you saw the whole process, right? I'm just in boxers. That's no work at all. I didn't even cut it, because cutting it when it's hot like this is way easier, right? The fry. I made fries. Listen, I didn't open it. I just remember. Listen. On point. The fries. Again, no fat, nothing. No, just an air fryer and fries. I checked on ChatGPT what I need. It said starchy potatoes with a low amount of water inside, and then you get the perfect fries from it. Amazing. So yeah, let me just put it on a plate. Very quick. I would use my hand for that. Whoop. Whoop. My wooden spoon. Actually, I don't want the fries to touch the water from the vegetables. Where is that? Here. This. So quick, so easy. It's good for gym. Nothing unnecessary. Nothing processed. Everything is from nature. And this is what I love about food, when it's completely from nature. I will put some salt on it. It's potatoes, it's vegetable, it's chicken, and it's salt, and it's spices. Guess what? Tasty as fuck. Easy to prepare, good for the gym, good for the body. You feel good after. And no effort. Bro, what do you expect more? What do you want more? You're most welcome. And give me a kiss, please. Give me a kiss. All right, thank you. Bye.